outside on my deck garden, and today I am going to be harvesting some of my oregano, and I've got my string and I'm going to tie it up and I'm going to hang it somewhere in my garage so it can dry out, and we're going to see how this goes. So let's get to chopping and see what we can do with this oregano. So let's see here. Chop some of this. Give it a good little haircut. There's some right here, and I think I'll just lay it up here for now. I'm going to gather it all together and then tie it up. Look, I tell you, when you cut your herbs, they smell so good. So good. Look at that. Doesn't that looks beautiful? Little oregano. Make sure I get some long stems so I'll be able to tie it with my string. That's the mission, to try to harvest as much of this as I can and to keep it. So, like I said with my time, trying to keep myself out of the grocery store for buying herbs and do my own. Cut these ones off at the top. So these ones at the top. That way, I'll give it a chance to grow some more for me. This one right here is a good one. This is Rocky's little hangout spot right here with the thyme and the oregano. Like I said before, he ain't gonna be happy, but oh well. This is my garden. This is my domain. He's already wrecked so much of my stuff that it's my time to call the shots. Oh, and I've got to give you guys an update on the forks in the little garden boxes on my deck. I'll give you that one right after I finish with this one. You guys will be surprised at the results. I know I am. The last one I cut here, it should be okay. Last couple ones here. Alright, I think that'll do it. Enough to use it as an experiment just to see how it works. Alright, so let me gather all this together and then we'll string it together. Guys, I'm going to gather all these stems together, you know, put them at the end so when I tie it, then they'll be all together as one. Kind of windy out here today. Ain't no joke, but hey, as gardeners, we got to learn to work in all types of conditions. So I think I'll make like maybe 2 bundles. Sure, all together. That's one big one. One big good one. Almost like making a little bouquet. I don't know about that one. That one don't look so good. But we gonna get it together. Bunch of it. Hand's gonna smell so good after getting all this together. So I'm just bunching it all together like a little flower bouquet. Then I'm gonna tie it at the end. Alright, looks good to me. What do you guys think? If they fall off, you just stick them back in there. Alright, I got my string right here. I am just going to tie them at the end. This. Can you guys see that? It's going to put a knot on it. Keep it together. Flip it over. Do another knot. Then I'm going to find a cool spot and just let it dry out. Boy, it smells so good. Alright, guys. Ooh, let me put this one in there. This one. Alright, look at it. And then I'm just going to take it somewhere, hang it up. You see? I'm going to give you guys a better close-up. Hold on. See, I've got it all tied up. Looks good. Little bundle. And I'm just going to hang it up like this. And let it dry out. So that's my oregano. I'm so excited. Woohoo! Alright guys, I will keep you posted on how it's drying out. Alright, let's move on to my next thing I got to get done today. Beautiful oregano. Look at that. Beautiful bouquet. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give your girl a thumbs up. Share me out. Leave me a comment down below. And hit that notification bell so you know when I upload another video. And Miss Renee will see you in the next video. Alright, oregano, do what you do. Take care, you guys.